Yeah, good job. Bring that to there, that to there. Good. Okay, following the breath. Nice and gentle. We're gonna bring this like this and give a little pull, okay? All right, let's give it a try. Deep breath in and out. Good, sinking in. Let the head and shoulders sink. Let the head and shoulders sink.
Oh my god, that scared me.
Breathe through your nose. Keep breathing. It's a lot, don't worry. That's a lot.
That scared me. That one felt weird.
Good. That's okay like this. That's tender, huh? We have to do a rib adjustment. Thumb right here, the second rib. Good. Come on underneath the other side. Support. Lean your head back on me. Lean your head back. Good. Good. One more time. Good. Let that relax. Good. Let that relax. It's good. You okay?
Oh yeah.